They're beefy. These are the catalytic converter shields from Cali Raised LED. Got one driver passenger. Where's the hardware? There it is. These are awesome because they have a stainless steel construction. Like, they're heavy, like they're beefy. And they're extremely easy to install. What's nice about their hardware, this hardware pack, is that within the pack, you get the security driver for the bolts. So you can't just toss in an Allen wrench and get it going. It literally, they give you the piece for that. These go up in the front. Then these bolts go back here. It's fantastic. Come with washers. Okay, so Randy is gonna go ahead and jump on installing these guys in the back. I'm gonna go ahead, as he's doing this, I'm gonna start disassembling the front for the low profile bumper and kind of prepping the area where we're gonna make our cuts to be able to mount the bumper, light bar, and everything to the truck.
All right, guys, we're gonna be removing these things right here. They're like little supports. So we're gonna zip them off with a 12 mil, get this removed, and then after that, we'll be pulling these, and then that's when we can kind of mock up the cat guards. So I've got those removed. There's there. Got my hardware, don't lose that. Cool. And after that, we'll switch over to the 14 mil. One, the nuts off. They also don't have to come all the way out. And we got my cat guard.
They take a rubber bumper on the inside because it rests up against the frame. For part of it. There we go. The rubber bumper is in just like that.
Alright. Came with some new hardware, which is called a safety Torx. So we're gonna get these hand threaded up there. Then we'll be running those up. Get these driven back in there. We'll get these snugged up, then we'll run the safety Torx up, make sure everything lines up correctly. Then we'll tighten everything down all the way. Kit came with a bit. I got my hex driver, and we're gonna run these ones up. And just like that, we're happy with the clearance. Get that little zip, then we'll crank these ones tight. Yep, so we're getting this side all buttoned up, and yeah, it'll be just the mirror procedure for the passenger side catalytic converter guard.
Okay, come here guys, let's check these out. These are their catalytic converter shields. Super easy to install. It's gonna be these 2 bolts in the back and then these 2 bolts. There is a cross member support here that you eliminate because this also acts as a support. I think that's why they made them so darn thick. The other great pair with this is also a transmission skid. So this is also gonna cover up this area so that these are even more, less likely to get stolen. These definitely do the job that they're made for. This install probably will take the average person 30, 40 minutes. Took us 15, 20. Get in here. It's literally 4 bolts. Pop these on. You add in the rubber bumper and you're ready to rock and roll. Now your catalytic converter shields are protected and ready to rock.